Welcome to my channel. This is the Great Phone Repairs. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and like this video if this video is helpful. I make video every week, so turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. So this problem, I'll be replacing this IC charging error. You'll be replacing that IC. So let's replace the charging IC, bring out the white material. In any problem like this showing you charging error, this is the work you're going to be doing in order to rectify the problem. So get a PCB holder, align your logic board on the PCB holder. Whenever you're carrying out operation like this, like removing IC or replacing your capacitor or your resistor on the logic board, ensure you use your PCB holder to hold your logic board firmly. So once your logic board is being held firmly, the next thing, get a Scrab board, maybe any keypad Scrab board. Then you bring out the charging IC from the Scrab board and then replace it to this working board. So this is the Scrab board. Let's hit out the charging IC from the Scrab board. Your heat on your workstation, or if you're using a hand blower, should be at 365 degrees Celsius, and let your air be at minimum. So let's hit out the charging IC carefully. Please subscribe to my channel if you're coming across my video for the first time. So now the IC is out. This is the charging IC. So it's out, so keep it in a separate location. And this is for the working board. Let's remove the charging IC, the 40 charging IC. Still let your heat still be at 365 degrees Celsius and let the air be at minimum. Then carefully bring out the 40 charging IC with your picker, and now let's replace it with the one we got from the Scrab board. So align it very well. Ensure you apply your paste when carrying out such operation. So align it very well and heat it properly with your workstation or your hand blower, or you can also call it your heat gun air, your hot gun air. So that is it. So after you have aligned it very well, heat it carefully. Use your picker to move it. That is your tweezer. You can call it picker, you can call it tweezer, but the right name for it is tweezer. So after that is done, heat it properly, then use your tweezer to hold it firmly so that it won't move. Now hold it for a while so that the IC will cool off. Now after your work has been done, let's test the voltage coming into the mobile device. Now it's 4.25. Initially it was low, but now it is very working. So let's couple it and test it if it's working properly. So please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. I do drop video on daily basis, so interesting video. So now it's charging, the mobile phone is charging. So after 3 minutes of charging, I checked it, it's still charging. There is no error displaying on the screen. So let's leave it for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, as you can see, it's still charging. So take note, if this method did not work for you, try changing both the charging IC and the resistor close to the charging IC. So as you can see, the arrow, that is the resistor close to the charging IC. So thank you for watching. This is the Great Phone Repairs. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For online classes and mentorship, you can contact me on the number showing on your screen. Please don't forget to share this video in order to help and assist other engineers all around the world. And also, if this video is helpful, let me know on the comment below, and also like the video if it's helpful.